I gotta be here. Nipa mi akoplo ndumi adu. If you mi koya achijege. Awo, nipa mi oti.
Agbeve kope mieva edora afia be mia akparaba nuka tutu enye nu ike jojom la afia dredging to ya da jim la afia ike akparaba edumavio le vevese sare makude dredging ya hu ike nu ike jojom ko nye be ope eke ya demo le la afia enye nu ike gblam le dumavio nkuru ope chinono na make alekwa wa ya va shito cha pa bubula enye we ale gbegbe omotenu aya va shito na make afi wa kpon donwi le akodanu ha enye do blibo Vevie to anya echi ya wanua anya chika maga nyele dunum wa wonto jagba owachi no pare kaka echi afa bubluta maga hama ha maga le no wa gatin azan le gapopo ya mo en ola fu pepa blibo mo dumavie onya ameka avifam na eduaja Ghana government be wona jagba wado achia meyoji wa parba nuka tututu yo wawo akokuro wana hu na wa lo dudu plo nuka wa kokpere dumavie wa afi ne wana ona ejia wa awe Everlove TV mieva adore afia ya pongle dumavio togbio mia pongle dumamachichi okude wana aleka nu shanu ya wadanu manami kude aleka oko afupam la afia won ta nene pom le Facebook maga pe le Facebook on a see of more ire YouTube subscribe to Everlove TV nene mia po wana da share da share mi da wana dia anye ni ka adogbo akpe bene plomido mieva adore Agbeve kopa.
The resident who spoke with the Agbeve community noted that the illegal activities of the foreign vessel seen working is causing a lot of harm to them. Hence, the urgent need for governments to suspend their activities until they are formally informed and know what exactly the company is all about. They noted that their only source of water, which is the river water, has been polluted by their activities, and the water treatment plant built by the community has also been affected, making the community members unable to have good drinking water. Some of them have been speaking with Joy News.
Togbi Agbamo. Lafia aduyama jinyeru. Atonya no katatu afia. Nyuponu ya tepelete aduyama po. Dokumili pata kunu yava. Afia mie son premier view kata otonu tuena. Amode na fonle lafia, amode na etoji wole na enla. Fifia nu ya cover afia be egblechi afonyo kata okukum ela wo ya amode kepomo ela ron to kra okukum ta nu ya dimile pe konye be edo mi di benega ireju ela be enu gbele mi anti mi anto mi va pochia e sha melele nunumu ta to kuku de me the government and suspend the project.
When you are coming with a project into a community, you must look at the advantage and the disadvantage, the benefit of the business that you want to establish. Will the community also enjoy part of it? And it's like we never heard anything about this machine coming or the ship coming here to dredge. All of a sudden, we saw them creating a pan over there. But the reason of creating that pan over there, we don't understand it. They came and then they started breaking. No provision for the community. We have so many, community dotted along this river. About 75 communities, enjoying this river, which is the only source of water for us. How? Look at it. We are not pigs, excuse me to say. We are not mudfish. Look at it. How can my wife go and fetch that water and cook for me? Prepare soup, banku, whatever it is. This muddy water. It is not right. So I suggest that it must be suspended for us to sit down and then discuss and come to conclusion. Okay, it can be something which will benefit the government, but what are we also enjoying out of that benefit? Nothing. So I suggest that it should be suspended for us to come and sit down and then later see where we shall arrive.
The residents believe that the vessels seen are rather prospecting for minerals instead of dredging and must be stopped immediately before the place is turned into galamsey site and their livelihood destroyed. The residents, who were mostly fisherfolk, said currently they are unable to go for fishing due to their activities. A stepfather of Agbeve community Sipito Afachawu lamented on how bad the situation has become and needs government's urgent attention or something disastrous may happen.
Mileko no ma jemi pla muna information ara kemi be oboreke gbono obobana za do fiola kere jemi don mi chekata fi gble ogidi pipe na mi an otu pipe e chere kemi po chere kemi anu ta no jujo do se eni nyama ko no jujo do ko mi to mo fa mi kala na kare ko go mi di mi ko se ro mi to mi ro ko yebe mi na ko go government is nu pomle be no rasi doji ko eto agbe kla se ka bulu no kere to fa ko se bulu gagere to abulu wa ka ira da ire ka se ko ka bi gama ba wata le gama me se mi tote ba wata mi papa otui ta mi ko chi mi anu abo pure water honu.
A community member managing the water plant has also been speaking with Joy News.
Biara mi le shia groni a shia ban gbe na mi enye le ma shia ji ta bri de bia mi won mi do na peta 2 weeks akego ma jejara ma shia vala every day bia ma do na 12 a day la ele fu de na mi.
All they want is for government to suspend the activities of the company dredging here because according to them, government has not in any way helped them. When you talk about developmental projects in the area, government has not helped them in any way. So this is the initiative from the community, by the community. The school, everything here you see was initiated by the community. So they want government to put a stop, suspend the activities of that vessel immediately so they can get drinking water.
The presiding member for South Tongu, Victoria Jeklo, who visited the community on the orders of the DC, suggested that the resident demand for a water tanker. She has also been speaking with Joy News.
We cannot sit back and look at them. So I decided to come and have a look at the situation this afternoon. And truly you have also seen the nature of the water. Immediately the people don't have drinking water. And the last time was suggesting that if there is anything to be done, there should be tanker supply. That we should organize so that they'll be supplying them with water. Today that I came, I raised the same issue, and their question is how sustainable will that be? And I am just telling them that it is not the district assembly that will supply the water, but VRA has promised to do that.
Meanwhile, the DCE for South Tongu District, South Agbeve, in an interview in his office, confirmed that the people were not formally informed by the company before work started, but quickly said the project is a government project and that no one is prospecting for minerals.
No, the best of my knowledge, this project is a government project. It's not for any individual. And then the people are not mining. They are coming to do dredging. Because the VRA, they are in charge of this dredging. They sign agreements on behalf of the government with the people. The lower voter dredging company.
That happened.
Myself, I wasn't aware.
As the DC.
That's why I called them. I should come. Why? You should have told me you do the community entry. We have not done that. So they apologize. That's why we stopped the work for some time. So now that I learned they have started again. So the work cannot stop. But yesterday's a fun solution. The welfare of my people is paramount. So that's what we are working around now.
It is the hope of residents that government does something urgent about their situation.
mi le vɔvɔ eʋɔ tso gale bɛɛ eʋɔ na va to masiʋɔ ato ti ʋu hafi ayi mi le vɔvɔ ɖeviwo le vɔvɔ ale nyɔŋutuwo ɔlɔ ayi tɔdzi na va di lã ɖe be miaɖu hã wome yi mo wo lã kpɔ mo etsi blu ta elã me dzedze mo na alɔ tanya teƒe mi ɖe kuku ɖe ne dziɖuɖua be mi ɖe kuku nɔ ne wɔ nane tso nie ti ne mi bie ʋɔ ɖe ne dzo ne mi ti ʋɔ o ne dzo mi kpɔ si mi to mi va kpɔ si ɖe mi kpɔ si hã mi antso ŋdidi de nye menu tsi hã egame le mi sia mi le pure water dze ga nɔ nunu pure water keke so ga kɔƒe atso ava du ye me kaɖe mi le kpɔ galɔ mi kpɔ si hã mi ara nu ta mi ɖe kuku ne dziɖuɖua be mi ɖe kuku nɔ ta eʋɔe no do me na wòadzo mi vɔvɔ nyɔmɔ asi yi ge tso hã mi vɔvɔ mi nya le ka wɔ game afi miatso tɔ ɖevi sɔ hã tɔtso amo suku yi tɔgodo kple suku va le gi yɛ hã mi ɖe kuku nɔ dziɖuɖua be ne to mɔ na wòadzo lo mi di o mi di ʋɔ n'odzo